So today we are going to be putting on the siding to this house. We got to start with the corners. I had them underneath a tarp out here only for like a couple days, but some of these pieces actually got warped. So I don't know if they're going to be good to use or not. I'll show you over here. So hopefully the ones in the boxes are fine, but I'm hopefully going to be able to return these. Whatever ones are real bad, you can see this one got warped pretty bad. But we're going to start with all the corners, and then I'll show you when all the corners are on, or we might just do 2 corners at a time. And then we're gonna start putting the siding on, and got to put everything around the windows and everything like that. So that's what today's video is about. We're making progress on the house. All right guys, I got that corner on. We got all the starter strip on the bottom on, and we have this corner over here on. So now I got my little station set up. I'm gonna be cutting these pieces with the grinder. Already tried it out. That was my little trial piece, and I moved the guard on this so it was easier to cut. So now we're gonna start putting on the siding, and we're gonna do some J-channel around that door. So now we're gonna get to it. All right guys, this is day 3, and I'm so sorry. I actually forgot to record yesterday, but we got almost the whole front done. And we put in all those pieces up top all around the windows. So we got a few more pieces to put here, and then we're gonna try to start working on this side area, which I hope will go quicker because there's not as many windows and stuff. We do have to put a window in here, so we'll have to cut that Tyvek, put a window in, and hopefully we can run it all the way up. But we got blocks and stuff that we have to remove as well, so we'll just see what we can do. We're only working at nights because we all work during the day. Try to get this done and maybe get that side done today, and then we'll work on the back. All right, we got this side done. There's super strong winds here. We got a hurricane coming through from Florida, but I'm about to put these windows in on this other side. He's putting the corner piece in down there, so I'll show you guys us putting the windows in. All right guys, I missed some of the recording from the other day, but we got those windows in and we're gonna just finish up putting the rest of the siding on the back, and then we only have that other little section over there. So let's get back to it. All right guys, so we're finally done with all the siding and everything like that. So let me show you guys what it looks like. I think it turned out pretty good. So here it is. Here's the front view of it. We also got a light in there. And then later on we had to come back and we put these vents in. You can see the roof cap there. I still gotta bend that a little bit, but that's the side right there. And then here's the back view. Turned out pretty good. I also put two outdoor lights here. Eventually there's gonna be a big deck right here, but shout out to Rocky, he helped me with this. Saved a lot of money on labor because it is not cheap. Put an outside plug there, and then we also have a vent on this side, and on the other side there was a window, but we actually removed that window. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. I think it turned out pretty good. I also had a guy come and fix the foundation. That probably should have been something I did from the beginning, but I didn't. So learn from my mistake. Get the foundation fixed first, but it wasn't off too bad. But yeah guys, it's all done. So we got the roof, the windows, the siding, and now we just got to work on the inside. But as always guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit that notification button. Also, we have a TikTok now. You can follow us on there, and then any suggestions or comments, we always are open to those as well. So thanks for watching guys. We'll see you next time.